Hey, welcome to the Vibe of Life channel. Do yourself a favor and take yourself and whatever you are doing seriously. Be great. I am the financial freedom fighter, Celestial Nightthorn. Today is sequence 7 of the Greatly Trading series, Road to $100,000. We are starting small so that you see in real time how it's done. I will be trading the Forex pair Euro USD with my live funded accounts. I will be trading in the Asian session. Let's get started. I opened this trade at about 4:30 a.m. This session is great for night beings like myself. You can keep sleeping, guys. I opened for a sell position at 1.16194, put a stop loss at 1.16244, and take profit at 1.16092. The risk to reward ratio today, as usual, is 1 to 2. It's going great so far. We are almost reaching half of the profits as the red candles keep pushing downward. We never take half profits here, in case you forgot. We either get all profit or lose. We have extreme confidence in the trading strategy. The current red candle is going past the large wick formed by a former strong green candle. It is still looking good, guys. We are continuing to form new lower lows. It keeps going our way. Trading is so great. That's right, more red candles formation. Keep going towards the take profit. Almost there, guys. It is really close now. Here is where it starts playing with us, but we never ever get out of the trade until it hits take profit. I hope it hits the profit now. Price should stop playing at this point. We are not getting off the trade no matter what. I would rather hit stop loss. At last, people. The trade hit take profit at 5:09 a.m. We got $832 on this account, and with my other account, I got $396. In total, we won $1,228. We followed our strategy, and it paid off. We are winners, and we will keep winning. Well, that's it. We make money only in the markets. I will have no courses, no signal groups, and no bots to sell to you. I'm good. Thank you for watching so far. If you like this video, you will really like watching the Sequence 6 video by clicking the video to the left of your screen. Remember, you are cool. Subscribe to the channel. I love you more than your soulmate. Like the video. Feel free to leave an awesome comment only. Only main supporters will have a chance to participate in the cash giveaway when we have it. I'm wishing for your financial freedom and greatness until we meet in the next video.